Agarwal, and I want to invite you to my biggest launch ever, VidShots in Warrior Plus on April 9th, 10 a.m. EST. So VidShots is a simple 3-click cloud-based app that allows your user to make up to $500 and even more by just posting simple lame 15 seconds video without ever doing anything, without ever being in camera or recording or doing any kind of technical step. Your customers can actually copy the most easiest, fastest and silliest way to generate over 1,000 visitors from YouTube each and every single day. We have used this and the results are mind-blowing. And on April 9th, your customers are going to have access to this tech. So I have done a lot of launches and all my launches crossed over $2.8 million. So I know exactly what to do and how to do it. And especially in this launch, I have put in a lot of hard work and efforts just to ensure that you make the most, you make huge money from each and every mail that you send for us. And all you have to do is to support me on April 9th and bag huge commissions. I can easily send over like anywhere between 50 to 100 sales to your launches. All I ask is just support me, just do a single mail and see how happy your Warrior Plus wallet is. So my friend, see you on April 9th, 10 a.m. EST. Bye bye.